and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today we're going to talk about how to use essential oils correctly to heal bruises. Now, we do daily videos talking about health and wellness here on the channel, so if you're interested in these kinds of videos, remember to subscribe in order to stay updated for all our new content. Essential oils have been used for centuries to heal a variety of ailments, including bruises. Bruises are basically caused by broken blood vessels under the skin, and they can range from a small black and blue mark to a very large and painful area. While they usually heal on their own, essential oils can help to speed up the healing process and also reduce pain and inflammation. One of the best essential oils for healing bruises is an essential oil called helichrysum oil. Helichrysum oil is a powerful anti-inflammatory oil, and it is particularly effective at healing bruises. Now, in order to use this oil for a bruise, you can simply mix a few drops of this oil with a carrier oil such as coconut oil or olive oil. Massage the mixture gently onto the affected area and repeat the process 2 to 3 times a day until the bruise has healed. Another great essential oil to use for healing bruises is peppermint essential oil. Peppermint is an excellent pain reliever and also has anti-inflammatory properties. To use peppermint oil for a bruise, mix a few drops with a carrier oil and massage the mixture gently into the affected area. Repeat the process 2 to 3 times a day until the bruise has healed. We also have a lavender essential oil, which is also an effective oil for healing bruises. It's known for its healing properties, and it can help to reduce pain, swelling and inflammation, which is caused with or associated with bruises. Now, in order to use a lavender oil, I want you to start off by mixing a few drops with carrier oil. Massage the mixture gently onto the affected area. Repeat the process 2 to 3 times until the bruise has healed. Lastly, we have a very effective essential oil that is known particularly well for helping to heal bruises, aches and sores, and it is arnica oil. Arnica oil is made from Arnica montana flower, and it is known to be an effective treatment for bruises, sprains and other injuries as well. In order to use arnica, you just mix a few drops with a carrier oil, massage the mixture gently, and like it is with the previous oils, you repeat the process 2 to 3 times a day until the bruise has healed. Now, I've got a couple of things for you to remember before you get started using essential oils to help with healing your bruises. It's important to note that essential oils should be used cautiously and with proper, correct dilution. It's also important to be aware of any allergies and any sensitivities you may have before you using them. I also talk about doing a patch test on a small area of skin before applying it to the affected area, and within 24 hours, if you have not noticed any sort of signs of allergy such as redness, itching as well, then you can go ahead and use that essential oil for helping to heal your bruising. If you experience any sort of irritation or redness within the 24-hour period, then discontinue use, please. Essential oils are an effective tool to help in healing bruises. Whether you choose helichrysum, peppermint, lavender or arnica oil, all these essential oils can provide anti-inflammatory, pain relieving and healing benefits that you need. Remember to always use it with caution, proper dilution methods, and if you experience any irritation or redness, discontinue use. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. I appreciate every single one of you, and I wish you love, health and healing. Goodbye.